Hi guys, my name is Mona and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You are going to be watching wonderful videos here on Munilicious Locs. So here on Munilicious Locs, I teach women how to take good care of their natural hairs. What to do, what not to do, how to maintain long hair, how to actually have clean and neat and best of all, cute natural locks. I tell you baby, because Munilicious Locs have got you covered. So, you know how some black women don't know how to manage their locks and their natural hairs in cold climates? Well, I've got you covered, baby. So here on Munilicious Locs, I teach women how to take good care of their natural hairs. And most of all, Sisterlocks, baby, Sisterlocks. Whether you've got dreadlocks, you've got nappy locks, you've got Sisterlocks, or you've got the regular traditional locks, or even kinky hairs, this is the best place for you because Munilicious Locs have got you covered. I will take you through different steps to maintain your locks, to keep them clean because we don't want lint on our locks. So baby girl, click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button below and subscribe to this channel for great tips on how you can style your locks, keep your locks clean, also maintain that kinky hair of yours. Let's embrace the real Africanness in us. Because remember, Munilicious Locs define the true African beauty. So let's go Munilicious, baby. Sisterlocks, dreadlocks, nappy locks, traditional locks, kinky hair, I am here for you.